Alright, section 2, we're still talking about buying a car, but now we're going to talk about the down payment. So that's the money that you have, the cash you have when you go buy your car. Is there any money that you can already put towards the payment of the car when you go buy it? So this question, determine what the down payment amount would be given the price of the vehicle and the percent of the down payment. Round your answer to the nearest penny. So that means you want two numbers after the decimal. That's cents. Do not use commas in your answer. If you type it in and there gets commas in there, like Canvas puts commas in, don't worry. Just you don't type them in. Okay, so we're buying a used car. It costs $26,450, and you have enough money for 34% down. So it's asking, what's the 34% down that you have? So we want to find 34% of this amount. So again, I use Desmos. Go to Scientific. And then if you type 34% of, just pops up. So 26,450. And you can add the cents, it's not going to change the answer. So 34% of that would be $8,993, and we want nearest penny, so we're going to put .00, because there's no cents on this one. Okay, that's it for that one. Let's look at the next one. Determine the total cost of the automobile after down payment and finance costs. So round your answer to the nearest penny, do not use commas. Alright, so we bought a car, it's $28,990, and we have 30% down. We have to finance, so money we don't have, we finance, for 36 months, and the payment is $705 per month. So we want to figure out how much are we actually paying for the car. So 30% down. So we want 30% of the total cost. That's the cash that you bring when you buy a car. So 30% of 28990, 8697. And then we're financing. So we're going to make 36 payments at $705. So we multiply those. 36 payments, months, times $705 per month. So 36 and then times is right here, or you can use shift 8, 705. So after 36 months of payments, you've paid $25,380. So those two numbers we're going to add together. 8697 plus 25380. So $34,077 and no cents. So that's what happens when you finance a car. Okay, there's interest here. They're making money. So really the car only cost, it cost about $29,000. But after the interest, after the payments, you actually paid $5,000 more because you had to finance a certain amount. So $34,077.00 was the actual cost paid, which is more than the actual price of the car. That's how financing works. So determine the down payment. So this time we're just figuring out what is the down payment of this vehicle. So it's a van that costs $23,600, and we're putting 24% down. So 24% of $23,600. $5,664 and no cents. That'll be 24%. Determine the total cost of the automobile after the down payment and the finance. So this one we have to figure out what's the down payment and then how much we paid after we financed. So the price of the car is $20,468, and the percent down was 24%. So let's figure that out. 24% of $20,468. So $49,1232. Down payment of around $4,900. But then we have to finance, paying $305 for 60 months. So we multiply those. $305 60 times. 305 times 60, 18,300. No cents. So that's what we need to add together, what we paid with financing and what we paid up front. So 18,300 plus this one. I'm just going to copy and paste that. So 23,212.32. So again, notice the difference. It's about $3,000 more because of the financing.